In this video, I'll demonstrate external access on the RICOH IM430F, which also applies to the IM350F, and there will be similar access points on the IM550 and IM600. Starting at the top, access to the feeder. Switch. Retrieval from under the feeder. Tilt the screen up for access to the machine. Bypass tray. To open the front of the machine, push the button on the right to open. This gives you access to misfeeds or changing the image unit or the toner cartridge. To remove, pull. This removes the image unit and the toner cartridge. To remove the toner cartridge only, the green lever, click down and push to open. This is the toner cartridge. On the toner cartridge, there's a black arrow on an orange background. Line it up with the orange in the machine to reinsert and then lock. Changing the paper tray. Pull up. Currently 8.5 by 11 is in the tray. Change to another size. Move the levers in for small originals. Or for legal, push, extend, and on the side, push the two green squares, and then put your legal paper in. Reinsert at an angle, slide back in.